The company that basically invented the modern anti-smartphone just made a flip phone, and it costs less than a third of their flagship. If you've ever looked at a light phone and thought, cool idea, way too expensive, that's about to change. Let's talk about the Light Flip. Quick context if you're new to this brand. Light is a small Brooklyn-based startup that's been making dumb phones since 2014. Phones designed to do less, on purpose. No social media, no browser, no infinite scroll. Their flagship, the Light Phone 3, launched last year at $699, and it's a slab phone with a black and white screen and basically nothing else. One of Light's co-founders, Kai-Wei Tang, actually helped design the original Motorola Razr more than 2 decades ago. So when Light says they're making a flip phone, that's not a random pivot. That's someone going back to something he helped build the first time around. Here's the interesting part. Light's team says they spent the last few years interviewing young people, mostly Gen Z, who are already using flip phones. And the pattern they kept hearing was, people love the idea of a flip phone, but the actual devices out there are cheaply built, slow, barely supported, and often just as loaded with addictive apps as a normal smartphone. So instead of another glass slab, Light built a clamshell that keeps their whole distraction-free philosophy, but in a form factor that's having a real cultural moment right now with younger users. Let's get into what's actually inside this thing. Closed, it's a compact clamshell. Open it up and you get a 2.8-inch OLED display. Matte finish, no touchscreen, sitting above a physical T9 keypad and a directional pad. There's no external cover screen at all, just a small notification light on the outside. That's a deliberate choice. Light wants you to actually open the phone to check something, not glance at a screen 50 times a day. Under the hood, a MediaTek MT8773 chip, 6 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage. It supports full 5G and 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, and both eSIM and physical nano SIM. There's a 12-megapixel rear camera pulling from a 50-megapixel sensor, a replaceable 1800 mAh battery, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and USB-C charging. For software, it's running LightOS, the same operating system as the other Light phones. Alarm, timer, calculator, calendar, contacts, maps, weather, 2-factor authentication codes, notes, voice memos, and a music and podcast player. No Spotify, no streaming apps. Light has said an SDK is coming, so outside developers can build simple tools for it, but the company's been clear. No social apps, no browser, no ads, ever. Unlike the all-black, all-metal Light Phone 3, the Flip is made of plastic, which is actually the reason it can hit this price. It comes in 6 colors: black, navy, red, pink, yellow, and light gray. There's even a small loop on the shell for charms or straps, which is a very deliberate nod to the accessory culture around flip phones right now. Now the number that matters most, $299, unlocked. For comparison, the Light Phone 3 is $699. Light is also offering an optional 2-year service plan at $39 a month if you want them to handle the carrier side too. Light officially unveiled the Flip on July 21st, and pre-orders are open right now on their website. The catch? This is a long wait. First units aren't expected to ship until April of 2027. To keep pre-order customers engaged during that stretch, Light is launching something called the Flip Your Life program, bi-weekly newsletters meant to help people ease into using a phone like this before it even arrives. Here's my read on why this launch actually matters. Minimalist phones have always been a hard sell because the pitch is pay flagship money for way fewer features. That math never worked for most people. By dropping to $299, Light is putting a real distraction-free option within reach of people who'd never have considered the $699 version. Parents looking at a kid's first phone, or anyone who just wants a simple weekend device without a huge financial commitment. Whether the flip phone for teens trend turns into a real market shift or just a nostalgia wave is still an open question. But Light making a serious play at this price point is a pretty strong signal that they think it's more than a trend. Since the Light Flip isn't shipping until next year, we haven't had hands-on time with the actual unit. This is everything confirmed so far from Light's own announcement and early hands-on previews. When units start landing, we'll do a full review here on Teckwise. Which color would you actually pick? Or are you sticking with your smartphone? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe if you want the hands-on review the second we get our hands on one. See you in the next video.